diode. See, suppose if you are going for the diode that we have covered earlier, we have seen the PN junction diode. PN junction diode, we are using it as an rectifier. Okay. So what about this tunnel diode? Tunnel diode means you are having the PN junction diode, but here we have increased the number of impurities. So number of impurities in your tunnel diode, it will be more than 1000 times as compared to your ordinary PN junction diode. So you are having much more impurities that are added in your this PN junction. Okay. Now your tunnel diode, we are using it in forward bias condition. Your PN potential is connected to the positive and NJ potential is connected to the negative. As much more impurities are added here, with small input voltage, you will see that there is sharp increase in current. Even without giving input voltage also, you will see that you will have sharp increase in current. Okay, without voltage also there will be increase in voltage, increase in current. Okay. So what is happening? That with a small increase in voltage, you will have a sharp increase in current. This increase in current will be there up to a certain limit, and then you will see that if you are increasing the voltage further, there will be decrease in current. There will be decrease in current. The point where you are getting the maximum current, this point is called as peak voltage. So whatever this voltage is, this is your peak voltage. Okay. And after this peak voltage, if we are increasing further, you will see that with increase in voltage, there is decrease in current, and this will be going up to a certain limit. This is your valley point. And whatever the constant voltage is there, that is your valley voltage. Okay. Now from this valley voltage, if we are increasing your forward voltage again, you will see that with increase in voltage, you will see that increase in current will be there. Now, if we are seeing that what is this valley voltage? This valley voltage is 0.7 volts. This valley voltage is 0.7 volts, and if we are seeing your this peak voltage is your 0.07 volts. This valley point, you can consider it as your knee voltage in your PN junction diode. Knee voltage. You will have the knee voltage, okay, in your ordinary PN junction diode. If you are having the silicon, there you are having 0.7 volt, and if you are having germanium, there you will have 0.2 volts. So same you are having here. This is the same. Okay. Now, if we are seeing the tunnel diode after this characteristic is similar to your PN junction diode. This characteristic is similar to that one. Okay. This region where with increase in voltage there is decrease in current, this is called your negative resistance region. This is called your negative resistance region. Okay. And we are using your tunnel diode in this negative resistance region only. Okay. Now, if you are seeing that the reverse characteristics of your tunnel diode will be same as that of your ordinary PN junction diode. Okay, so we generally we don't go for your tunnel diode in reverse bias condition, and in forward bias condition also, if our requirement is here, if our requirement is above 0.7 volt, no need for going for your tunnel diode, we can go for your ordinary PN junction diode. Okay, if you want to use this area, then we will go for your tunnel diode. Here we can say that this we can consider it as on, and this we can consider it as off. So we can use the tunnel diode as a switch where we can go from your on to off state. Okay. Remaining properties of your tunnel diode is similar to your PN junction diode. From the cost point of view, if you are seeing, the cost of the tunnel diode will be more. So as the cost will be more, and if the application requires this area, then we will go for the tunnel diode. Otherwise, if you have to prefer from your ordinary PN junction diode and your tunnel diode, we will go for a PN junction diode only. Okay. So if we are looking at the application part, on each part we can use it as a switch. And what are the other applications we are having the PN junction diode? Same application we can follow. here also.